Now this looks like fun, but guys, playing in the mud is very messy. I think this is going to take some serious washing and scrubbing. We need to build a car wash. Ready to work? It looks like the pieces are all here. We just need to put them together, okay? Good job with the plumbing, Ed. That will provide the water. Billy and Charlie are working together on the framework. Isn't it amazing to see how quickly the work gets done when everyone is doing their part? Great job! Almost finished. Once these fans are in place, the car wash will be ready for its first customer. All right, Charlie, you get to go first. It looks like Charlie is enjoying his scrubbing. Does it tickle, Charlie? Who's next? Wow, Ed's being very nice, allowing Billy to go next. Come on, Billy, don't be afraid. It feels pretty good to get cleaned up, doesn't it? And now it's Ed's turn. It's amazing how good it feels to get clean. See you next time, guys. Hi, Billy. Hi, Ed. What are you up to? Oh, I see. You're jousting. Hey, Charlie. That's a big load of bricks you have. You want to build a catapult at the castle? Let's go then. Uh-oh, the doors need to be put back on the hinges. Good job, guys. We have to finish putting all the bricks in place before we can work on the catapult. Great teamwork. It looks like Charlie is almost finished stacking his building blocks. Just a few more to go. There, all finished. Those shields look great, Billy and Ed. Wow, Charlie, that catapult looks heavy. Can you get it by yourself? Everything is ready. Time to load the catapult and try it out. Ready? Fire! Wow! Right on target! Good job, guys. Let's do it again. Whoa! You did it again! This last one will be a little more difficult. Here we go! Wow! You did it! Great job! See you next time. Hi, guys. You look busy today. Whoa, what is that? Oh no, it appears to have crashed. You better go see if you can help. Wow, what a mess it made. Can you guys help fix it? Whoa, it can still fly. What's that, Ed? You have a plan? You want to put it back together and then play ball with it? Okay, let's get started. Great teamwork, guys. Uh-oh, Ed. You and Billy, be careful. Hey, are you guys helping Charlie gather pieces, or are you just playing? These pieces must go on the flying saucer. Let's pick them up. Now let's place them where they go. First, we need an oval. Now a hexagon. A triangle. And that looks like a circle. But wait, it's not the same circle. This one is better. Next up is a diamond. And the last shape is a square. Uh-oh. The circle is still missing. Can you find it? That is a lot of shapes, but no circle. That's better. Billy and Charlie have found several circles, but which one is right? The red one? No. How about the yellow one? No. It must be the blue circle. Perfect. Wow, it's flying again. Amazing. Look, guys, it wants to play with us. Have fun, guys. See you next time.